Hey, this is me. I'm Hanil. Today marks exactly 1089 days since I moved abroad. And if I'm being 100% honest with you, I have absolutely no job. Standing right here, looking at a bank account that is slowly draining every single day. It's a very strange feeling. Back home, I used to work for others. I spent years in advertising and graphic design, trading my hours just to make someone else's dreams come true. But when I immigrated, I made a promise to myself. This time, the story changed. This time, I'm working for myself, but there is a massive problem. I don't exactly know how yet. Being an employee gives you a false sense of security, a tiny paycheck at the end of the month just to keep you afloat. But moving to a new country breaks everything down and forces you to rebuild from scratch. When I left my country, I understand it has price. 28 is a weird age. You're not young enough to say I have all the time in the world, but you're definitely not old enough to give up from your dreams. This age is the exact borderline between enough is enough and I have to start right now. And I knew one thing for sure. I want to make money online. In the next few years, everything from the smallest businesses to the biggest industries is going to be tied to the internet and AI. Traditional way of working are dying, and I refuse to follow outdated path that offers no real future. I want a digital career that gives me freedom, a scaling potential, and excellent income. So why did I start with YouTube? Why am I talking to you right now? The answer is simple. Zero initial capital. I don't have thousands of dollars to invest in an inventory, shipping, or expensive softwares. Traditional businesses require massive startup funds, but YouTube doesn't care about your money. It cares about your skills. It requires creativity, effort, graphic designs, and willingness to learn. Since I have the skills but not money, YouTube is a perfect gateway for my online journey. I'm going to get this channel monetized in the next 30 days. I've done my research. I've seen some genius YouTubers get monetized with just one video. On the other hand, I've seen people upload 100 videos and still not make a single cent. So my strategy, I'm going to upload 3 videos a week. That is exactly 12 videos in 30 days to unlock YouTube's monetization requirements. And we are starting from absolute zero. Watch this. So now I'm going to creating a brand new email address just for this journey. Okay? So I put my microphone here and make my email. I'm gonna read my code now. Wait. So the look is ready, the email is set, the clock is officially ticking. I want to be clear with you. I'm not a guru sitting on the throne telling you how to get rich. I am a 20 years old immigrant trying to figure out. From the next video, I will show you every dollar spent, every failure, and every success with 100% transparency. If you've ever felt like you haven't reached the future financial potential, or you're also starting over a new place, join me. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and leave the comments. And let me know in the comments how old are you or where are you on your journey. Thank you for walking with me through these minutes and seconds. So from the next video, see ya.